How to share NGL link on Facebook story. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to share NGL link on Facebook story. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram on your device. So, once you open it, ensure to log into your account. Tap profile icon and once you tap on the three-line icon, you will get access to settings and activity. Select Account Center. Scroll down and review the accounts you have in this account center. Ensure that your Facebook account is connected to your Instagram account. The first step is this. After that, move ahead and open the NGL application on your device. So, then go to the Play section at the top of the screen and here you have to tap on Copy Link button and tap on OK button. Once done, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen and here you can easily add the link to your story. Click the button and here and first of all you have to click the sticker button. Step 2 you have to click the link and step 3 you need to paste your link and step 4 you need to frame the link and then you can easily share on Instagram. So let's tap on sticker icon and here you have to search for add link button. And after that, you need to paste the URL. Tap the down button and you need to place it here. Once you do that, you need to tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you need to select the sharing option. And here you have to tap on share once to share the Facebook. After that, tap share button and down button. And that is how we can easily share NGL link on Facebook story with the help of Instagram. So that is it. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.